In front of me is OUKITEL WP36, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access, Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service and tap on Google Password Manager. Now it's time to tap on the password that you wish to edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!